The year is 1957, a year that would mark a significant turning point in history. The world watches in awe. Sputnik, a shiny sphere, orbits Earth, capturing the imagination of millions. Sent by the Soviet Union, it's a wake-up call. The space race has begun, and the stakes are incredibly high. America, caught off guard, needs to respond. Thus, Project Mercury is born, aiming to reclaim technological leadership. A bold idea: put a man in space. Not just that, bring him back safe. This was a monumental challenge. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, takes charge. They are determined to make the impossible possible. The Soviets were ahead. They already put a satellite in orbit, showcasing their technological prowess. America needed to catch up. The Cold War was at its peak, and space was the new frontier. Space became the new battleground. It wasn't just about rockets and capsules, it was about global dominance. It was about national pride. It was about showing the world who was ahead in science and technology, and who would lead humanity into the future. Project Mercury had clear objectives. First, put a human in Earth's orbit. Second, study the effects of space travel on humans. How would the body react to weightlessness? Could an astronaut function in such an alien environment? These were uncharted territories. The program also aimed to recover the astronaut and spacecraft safely. Every mission was a learning experience. But it wasn't just about scientific goals. The program had a deeper significance. It was about pushing the boundaries of human potential. It was about daring to dream the impossible. It was about inspiring a generation to reach for the stars. At the heart of Project Mercury was the capsule, a small cone-shaped craft designed with precision and care. Built to carry a single astronaut, it was a tight fit. Inside, there was just enough space for a man to sit, surrounded by essential instruments. The capsule was crammed with instruments and controls, each serving a critical function. The capsule was a marvel of engineering, a testament to human ingenuity. It had a heat shield to protect it during re-entry, ensuring the astronauts' safety. Parachutes were deployed for a safe landing back on Earth. And of course, it had a powerful rocket to launch it into space, overcoming Earth's gravity. The engineers faced enormous challenges, pushing the boundaries of technology. The capsule had to withstand extreme temperatures both in space and during re-entry. It had to be airtight, ensuring no leaks in the vacuum of space, and it had to be small and light enough to be launched atop a rocket. They worked tirelessly day and night. They tested and retested every component, leaving no room for error. They were determined to build a spacecraft that was safe and reliable, a true engineering marvel. The road to space was paved with difficulties. Tests failed. Rockets that were meant to soar into the sky often ended in fiery explosions. Rockets exploded on the launch pad, leaving engineers and scientists scrambling for answers. It was a constant battle against the unknown, a relentless pursuit to conquer the final frontier. The engineers and astronauts worked hand in hand, sharing knowledge and expertise to overcome each obstacle. They learned from every setback. They refined their designs. They never gave up. Each failure was a lesson. Each success, a step forward. And slowly, they started to see success. The hard work and perseverance began to pay off. On May 5, 1961, Alan Shepard became the first American in space, marking a significant milestone. His flight, though brief, was a major victory. It demonstrated that human spaceflight was possible. It showed that America was in the race, ready to compete on the global stage. Then came John Glenn, who orbited Earth on February 20, 1962, pushing the boundaries even further. He circled the planet 3 times, proving the feasibility of extended space missions. His mission proved that humans could survive and operate in space, paving the way for future explorations.